Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel Fit and Fine, the complete fitness. Fit आणि हेल्दी लोकांना माझा नमस्कार. Hello friends, today we'll see bow pose, which helps to strengthen upper back muscle. The bow pose normally stretch your entire front body while strengthening your back muscles. This pose is good for flexibility and stretching your throat, hip, ankle, quadriceps, abdomen and chest. The stretches and the increased flexibility is what help in energizing your body, mind and spirit. Here is how to perform it. Step number 1. Start by lying on the floor on your stomach with chin on the mat. Step number 2. Exhale as you take your legs off the ground and stretch them towards your buttocks. Your knees should be hip distance apart. Step number 3. Stretch your arms backward, reach for your legs and hold them on outer ankle. Step number 4. Inhale as you lift your heels further toward the ceiling and at the same time lift your upper body off the mat and toward the ceiling. Step number 5. Pick a spot in front and gaze at it as you softly breathe. Step number 6. Hold that position at least for 30 seconds and then release and do this 3 repetitions with at least 30 seconds. Some benefits of this pose I will discuss over here. The first benefit of this pose is it will improve your posture, it stimulates digestion, it strengthens your body, it strengthens your upper back, it strengthens your spines and hamstrings, it improves hip flexors. I think you will have to perform this asana in regular basis. Thank you.